EHTH stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I have made well over 40,000 videos, you know, so I've kind of seen what's making me money and what's not. And again, in this particular situation with EHTH, what I'm not going to do is come here and buy randomly. No, I want to have a decent understanding where exactly we are. We tried to push through this with a full candle, but we didn't quite succeed. Still doesn't make it a bullish market, you see. So only if I see the price actually giving me in a way like a double break, then I'm looking to kind of take things further down. But randomly selling, just not gonna hit it, you know. I've always said this, I'm always gonna say it. Either breaks a full candle close above 635 or I sell still. So if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.